Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use keep in chat feature for disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp, and then you simply need to select the conversation with the person that you want. Then you simply need to click on the name, and then you simply need to scroll down and click on disappearing messages. Here you need to turn that on, and after that you simply need to send a message. So let me send a message. So I send a disappearing messages. So once another person receive a message, he will open a conversation, and if you want to save the message, he simply need to hold the message, and then he need to click on the bookmark or keep option. Click on keep option on the top right, on the top of the screen, and you can also be notified when he keep. So here you can see that you will be notified that he keep this message. So this is the simple process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.